Hi kids, today we are going to learn about some vegetable names. Carrot, carrot. Potato, potato. Tomato, red tomato. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Onion, onion. Peas, green peas. Eggplant, it's a eggplant. Capsicum, yellow, green, red capsicum. Cabbage, it's a cabbage. Cucumber, cucumber. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.